Why do drones crash during training? Panic throttle cut. The most common reason happens when the trainee rapidly raises the throttle to full, to which the drone responds by shooting up in panic. The trainee then cuts all power to the drone, resulting in a fatal crash. Overcorrection is another common cause for crashes. This occurs when the trainee moves the joystick way beyond the required extent. This results in drone tilting beyond permissible limits, leading to a crash. Loss of orientation by a trainee occurs when they are unable to make out the direction of the drone's flight, resulting in a crash due to panic on the part of the trainee. These are caused because of the proportional control command-based protocols followed on remote controllers, wherein commands to the drone is based on the extent of joystick movements. Presenting Ajeet Mini, a perfect trainer that addresses all these common causes for crashes by converting proportional control commands to general inputs of intent, on which the autopilot acts with softer electronically toned down responses. Thanks to our end-to-end control over our Nuggetty autopilot, Ajeet Mini ensures longer airtime, improved confidence, and shorter learning time for trainees. Resulting is fewer crashes and shorter time spent by RPTOs to train a drone pilot. Hence more revenue and profits for RPTOs. Interested? Contact